Unscrew the screws on one side and open the transparent cover. Take the left side as an example. Unscrew the 4 screws one by one. After unscrewing the 4 screws, lift the middle screw and open the metal cover. Press and hold the M1 plus button on the screen to expose the push-pull rod fully. Take out the push-pull rod. Replace all sealing rings on the push-pull rod. If a beeping sound is heard, press M1 button. After replacing rings, put the push-pull rod back in place. Press and hold the M1 button. Move the push-pull rod downward into place. Put the metal cover back on. Tighten 4 screws. No need to screw them too tight. Replace the sealing rings for the right push-pull rod at the same time and repeat the above steps. Put the transparent cover back on and tighten the screws. Click the auto button on the screen, then press the return button, and the setup is complete.